So if you have a 3.2 PrintExp printer which has a carriage board that accommodates 4 heads, and you're getting one nozzle test and not the other one, so first thing, you connect your head 1, which is this one, on head 1 there, head 2 on the same connector as head 2. Then you come to your firmware, you go to the head, select to the heads, you go and say switch head. Then on switch head, your slot 1 will be head 2. Then this slot 2 you put on none. Then your slot 3 should be head 1. Then your slot 4 should be none. Then you click OK. Then it's gonna say in dealing with. Then it's gonna save successfully. Then you save. After saving those parameters, you initialize. Then you do a nozzle test. You should see both your nozzle tests for both head 1 and head 2.